back to my channel. In today's video I'll be doing how to apply foundation and concealer. So if you guys want to see this whole video, make sure to give it a like and comment and share and subscribe and turn on post notifications on so you guys be notified every time I upload a new video. And to get posted in shout out all you gotta do is subscribe, hit the bell, and comment when done. And to know if you're gonna get a post notification shout out is if I pin your comment. So if I pin your comment, that means you're gonna get my next post notification shout out. So yeah, I want to start off by saying thank you so much for hitting me 200 subscribers. I appreciate all of you guys for supporting me and giving me so much love, watching all my videos. I really appreciate it. You guys are truly amazing and I love you guys so much, and I just hope I continue doing more videos for you guys. And you know, if you guys have any video suggestions you guys want to see next, please make sure you comment them below or DM me on Instagram or text me on Snapchat so that I can know what you guys want to see. And you know, it's just crazy because last year I just started YouTube and now I just hit 200 subscribers already, and it's all because of you guys. And you know, I want to continue doing this journey for you guys. You know, you guys are just amazing, and I just hope you guys know that I love you guys so much, and you know that don't hesitate to ask me a question, you know, because you know I'm here to help you guys out, you know. So yeah, alright guys, so let's get into the video. So let's get into foundation first. So the foundation that I'm gonna be using is by Benefit, and it is in the color 9CO2, which is right here, and it is medium coverage liquid. So this is a pretty good foundation. I got this in Ulta. I will put it in the description so you guys can know the price for it. But I've been using this for a while now, and it has been a good foundation for me. And most important, when you buy a foundation, make sure you get the right color. Like, make sure it's like the right color of your skin. You want to make sure that it matches your neck as well. So that's the most important thing. Before you apply foundation, make sure you test it out before buying, you know. So what I like to do is basically I like to go ahead and pump it twice on my hand. So like just this much, like that. And also what I like to do is I like to use a beauty blender, but I like to wet it, and that's what makes it look really, that's what makes your foundation look nice and blended. So you always want to make sure that you wet the beauty blender first, and then you want to blend the foundation. So I'm gonna do that right now. I just wet the beauty blender, but what I do first before doing that, I like to go ahead and use my fingers and just dab it like this, and then add here in the middle as well. And on the bottom, and that's it. And then you want to use the beauty blender and then just blend it out.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever try.
So as you guys can see, I just finished blending that. So that is how the foundation looks like. It is medium coverage. If you guys are interested in getting this foundation, everything will be in the description. So I did this video because some of you guys did request me to do this type of video. So yeah, I decided to do this video for you guys, you know, because I want to help you guys out, and I want to help you guys how to blend your foundation like a pro, you feel me? So yeah, you want to make sure that you go all the way over your neck, on your ears. So yeah, you want to make sure that you blend all of them. Okay, so after you're done with that, now I'm gonna go ahead and apply some concealer. So the concealer I'm gonna be using is by ColourPop, and it is in the shade 1901, and it is like a highlight creamy concealer. So I really like the products that they have in ColourPop. Like, they have a lot of good reviews about it. Like, this concealer, I've been using it for a while. It's been really good. Like, I really recommend you guys to get this. I will put in the description for the price for it and everything. So yeah, so what you want to do with the concealer is you want to make sure that you want to go right here, just one swap like that, go like this and go right there. Then you do the same thing here, there, and then there. Then you want to go here just a little bit on the bottom, and then on your forehead right there, just like that. Okay, what I do is I like to use a beauty blender and just blend that out. So I go like this. Like, you want to use like a light hand and you just want to blend all of that right there.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go.
Doing that. So basically, this is how I blend my foundation, my concealer. But yeah, I know I have to, like, you know, put it after set with powder, but I'm not doing this for the video, because the point of this video is just to show you guys how to blend concealer and how to blend the foundation. So you could always try to blend a little bit more if you need to, but yeah guys, so yeah, this is basically the end of this video, y'all. Yes, it's pretty short, but yeah, y'all wanted me to do like a basic like tutorial, so you know, here it is. So this is the process. So I really hope you guys found this video very helpful. I really like try my best, you know, to help you guys out, you know, you feel me? So like, yeah, I hope you guys really did enjoy this video. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure to give it a like, and make sure y'all comment down below what videos you guys want to see next. And the post notification shout out goes to pretty_unique for life. So shout out to you, girl. Thank you so much for supporting me and giving me so much love and watching my videos. I totally appreciate that so much. And y'all, she does have a YouTube channel, so make sure y'all go ahead and check her out. I will put her right here on the screen, and I will put a link in the description, so make sure y'all go ahead and check her out, because she does upload videos. So make sure y'all show her much love, so because she does deserve it. And yeah, y'all, and again, I just want to appreciate y'all so much for watching my videos. I totally appreciate so much, y'all. Like, you know, I wouldn't be here because of you guys, you know. Like, it really motivates me that you guys keep commenting on my videos, because, you know, it just really motivates me to keep uploading more videos for you guys, because, you know, you guys are amazing. Like, I like, that's the truth right there. I love y'all so much. And remember, to get posting a shout, all you gotta do is subscribe, hit the bell, and comment when done. And if you haven't already, make sure y'all follow me on all my social medias, which will be right here on the screen, and I will put a link in the description so you guys could, you know, follow me, you feel me? But yeah guys, and remember, you are pure, you are perfect, and you are an angel. So I'll see you guys next time on my next video. Love you guys.